Hey everybody, welcome back to Twoguysfinance. Today's battle is between Ecamm AI and Virbo, or should I call it Virbo? Yes, both are AI video tools, but they serve very different creators. Which one is right for your finance brand or content? Let's break it down. When we look at ease of use, Ecamm AI has a smooth setup for presenters, while Virbo is super beginner friendly and has AI avatars. When we look at the AI tools, Ecamm AI has auto camera switching, captions, and scene transitions, while Vibo has text to video with lifelike avatars and voiceovers. When we look at the price, Ecamm AI is subscription based and costs about mid to high level. When we look at Vibo, it has a free trial plus affordable premium. When we look at what they're best for, Ecamm AI is best for live finance webinars, pro events, and streaming. While Vibo is best for explainer videos, finance training, and social ads. When we look at their speed, Ecamm AI has real-time enhancements, while Vibo has quick AI video generation. Lastly, what output do they give? Ecamm AI gives us polished, broadcast-ready output, while Vibo gives professional, avatar-driven, and scripted output. In conclusion, Ecamm AI is built for professionals who run webinars, interviews, or finance live streams. It gives you polished, broadcast quality video in real time. Vibo, on the other hand, turns text into videos with AI avatars and voiceovers. Perfect for finance explainers, tutorials, or ad campaigns. So if you want live event power and professional streaming, go with Ecamm AI. But if you need fast, avatar-driven explainers, then Vibo is the winner. Which one would you choose? Ecamm or Vibo? Drop your answer in the comments.